The rebar handles the parts related to tensile forces, while the concrete bears the compressive forces. To execute a foundation, the first step is to complete all the reinforcement properly. After that, around the area where we intend to pour concrete, a good and neat formwork must be done to the thickness we require. After that, we can begin the concrete pouring stage. After the reinforcement and formwork stages are fully completed, we must also place the rebars for the columns that will be executed in the building, which are referred to as column roots. Once these roots are placed, and after we thoroughly check the column axes with surveying, the concrete pouring operation begins using a concrete pump, which is typically an air pump. Concrete is used with different mixes in various locations. Mixer trucks transport the concrete from the batching plant and pour it into the pump. The pump, using its large boom, starts pouring concrete into various sections. Once each section is poured, we must use a device called a vibrator to vibrate the concrete. Performing vibration is extremely important for the concrete, as it ensures that voids and air pockets within the concrete are fully removed. This ensures that the concrete compaction is excellent and that the concrete achieves the desired strength. In each section, the concrete is repositioned and poured by the pump. Once the pouring is completed, the surface of the concrete is leveled and smoothed by the workers, which is known as troweling. Once these steps are done, we have a completed foundation. To tie reinforcement, we need to ensure that the upper and lower reinforcement layers are separated by certain rebars, so we can create the upper and lower mesh. To ensure concrete cover on all sides of the rebar and prevent rust or corrosion, typically a concrete cover of about 5 to 7 centimeters is provided. This cover is achieved during reinforcement and formwork using plastic or concrete spacers. Once the concrete is fully poured, no reinforcement will be near the surface, ensuring no exposure to water or air that could cause corrosion. The next important point in executing a foundation is ensuring that we protect this concrete under different weather conditions, so that in the first 24 hours it does not suffer from freezing or excessive drying. This is one of the most critical points in executing a foundation. Please, if you enjoyed this video, support me and subscribe to my channel.